Hello everyone and welcome to the opening ceremony of the 10 Days of Code 2022. I am Arjit Lal, a senior member of the GNU Linux Users Group in IT Durgapur, and it is our great honor to host all of you in the third edition of this 10 Days of Code. It is extremely heartening to see all of you here, and it is my proud privilege to announce that we have received over 300 registrations from 40 different colleges in the country, distributed over 5 projects. As a member of GLUG, I can assure you that these 10 days will help you conceptualize, learn, and innovate in the project that you are a part of, and will only further strengthen your skills as a developer. To help you along this journey, we have various mentors to guide you through the projects, namely ThreadDex, Synapse, Musingle, FunChain, and Peer with Peer. So without further ado, let's hear from each of the mentors and what each of the project has in store for you.
Hello and welcome to 10 Days of Code. I am Nancy from GNU Linux Users Group in IT Durgapur, and I will be your mentor for ThreadDeck along with Srijan, Shruti, Satyam, Ronak and Ayush. So in the following 10 days, we will be building a GUI-based stock analysis tool in Java. It uses a Java Swing for the interactive UI and MySQL is a primary database. This project has a certain features like it will let you view the daily stock statistics such as the opening and the closing figures with the high-low prices. The stats can be represented in various forms like candlesticks and the raw. The user can store their expected watch list. So we look forward to some great code being written over the next 10 days and we as the mentors will try our best to give you the proper guidance and the help that you will need uh, and do feel free to ask your doubts in the respective channels. Thank you.
Hey guys, my name is Shashank Shekhar and I'm senior member at Junior Linux Users Group and IT Durgapur. I'll be one of your mentors along with Diptanshu, Apurva, Rafi, Shahadat, Partha and Aditri, who will be guiding you through FundChain, which is a decentralized charity app using blockchain technology. I am pretty sure that you all must be overwhelmed by the word blockchain. In the recent times, blockchain tech has been in the news. The D-apps, cryptocurrency, crypto trading, NFTs. You see, everything is based on blockchain. And in the coming future, we need to have the knowledge about this technology. And if you are a tech enthusiast, why not explore this field? The main perk of blockchain is its security. This is the main reason why we chose this technology to build our project. FundChain, which is distributed, decentralized charity app. Don't get too worried or tense. We are all here to help you throughout these 10 days. I hope that you all have a new and exciting experience ahead. And don't forget, when you join our Discord server, go to the rules channel and get your project roles. Otherwise, you won't be able to see your project channels.
Hello to all the tech enthusiasts out there. I am Mayank, a third year undergraduate student at NIT Durgapur, and I am going to be one of your mentors for the project Musical. If you are as fond of music as I am, then you might have wondered how streaming companies such as Spotify or YouTube Music recommend you songs according to your liking. And as a majority of you already be knowing, these companies have their own machine learning models which collect data of songs that you like and recommend you similar songs that you are probable to like. So, in this project Musical, we are going to be implementing such an recommendation system and we'll be learning about them in great details. Coming to the technical aspects of the project, we will be using machine learning algorithms such as k-means clustering algorithm, the cosine similarity, and hyperparameter tuning. Along with that, we will be using Python libraries such as Spotify to interact with the Spotify dataset that we are be using for this project. And finally, we are going to deploy our trained recommendation system in a Flask application that would help you visualize the working of your own project. Aren't you excited to build this project? I definitely am and would be waiting for you in the forthcoming sessions of 10 Days of Code. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to this year's 10 Days of Code organized by the GNU Linux Users Group and IT Durgapur. We have a plethora of interesting as well as useful projects that explore a variety of concepts through various programming languages and frameworks. which you will be exploring throughout the 10 days as you'll be building the hands-on project with them under the mentorship. So one of the projects that I know you guys must be pretty much excited about is the Peer with Peer project, which is basically a peer-to-peer file sharing system, which is primarily built using C and C++ programming language, where we have a central controlling server that basically handles multiple clients and acting as the peers are connected to the network, communicating among themselves to instantiate a file sharing protocol among themselves in which various files can be transferred between them through the network. And it also has a central server that could actually help in peer discovery, and you can use it to connect to the peers and transfer the files as much as you like at an instant, as well as between various computers. So you have much more to explore through it. And some technologies that I am stating, which you guys will pretty much excited to know about, are the socket programming, signal handling, file-based IOs, and multi-threading model, which are included in the project, and you'll be learning about it in depth so that you could build the project through these libraries as well as explore them as you build on them. So stay tuned and have a wonderful learning experience exploring these technologies yourselves and building the hands-on project under the useful mentorship. So thank you.
Hello, all. First of all, welcome to the 10 Days of Code. My name is Vedika Agrawal, and I am a senior member at the GNU Linux Users Group NIT Durgapur. And I'll be one of your mentors, along with Mayank, Diptangshu, Mohammed Rafiul, and Sashank, who would be guiding you all through Synapse, which is a Python based API testing application. Today, we can't imagine a world without websites and applications, and to build them, APIs play a vital role in information gathering. Majority of applications today use multiple APIs at the same time, and it becomes a bit of a tedious task to manage all of them at once. An API tester is something that helps the user by testing one API at a time. Not just that, it also facilitates the user to know more about the data, for example, the status code, raw preview, etc. In the upcoming sessions of TDoc, we will take a deeper dive into the world of Python libraries and APIs. We will be working on GUIs, requests, responses, and a lot more. So don't be worried, we'll have a great fun learning experience ahead. For now, I would like to request all of you to join the Discord servers if you haven't yet. And if you have any doubt through these 10 days, feel free to tag us or DM us your query, and we'll be very happy to answer them. Till then, see you in the coding session. Bye.
Thank you to all the mentors for such amazing introductions. As an official technical and open source club of this institution, GLUG has always striven to raise the standard of development and open source innovation. To address all of you and to declare the 10 days of code open, I would like to invite our convener, Abhadi.
Hello everyone, I am Abha Jha. I'm the convener of the GNU Linux Users Group. Welcome to 10 Days of Code. This is the third edition of this event. The entire aim of this 10 Days of Code is to help students like you learn new skills, enhance your resume, and build some amazing projects. So, this year, I hope you have fun building the projects that we have listed out. Learn as much as you can, ask questions, do not hesitate before reaching out to any of your mentors. And one very important thing is to try to complete the project to the best of your ability, be sincere, be dedicated, and also try to come up with your own innovations. We are very excited to see what you can think of, what you can build at the end of these 10 days. So I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope this is a great journey for you. And with this, I declare 10 days of code officially open. Welcome once again, and may the source always be with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhadi. So, before starting with today's session, here are some pointers for all of you. As you all know by now, this event will be held primarily on Discord and all code contributions will be made on GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub ID yet, we urge you to make one as soon as possible, as it will be instrumental in the coming days of the event. As soon as this session ends, I request all of you to head over to your respective project's voice channels on the Discord server, wherein your mentors will be giving you further instructions. Today's session will mostly be introductory and will revolve around the project setups and prerequisites. Considering that this is a public platform, we request all of you to maintain decorum and discipline throughout these 10 days. We hope that you cherish the memories and the coding contributions you make in this event forever. And we urge you to freely communicate with our mentors, ask them any doubts or thoughts you have, and make the most out of this opportunity. Signing off, we remain the members of the GNU Linux Users Group and IT Durgapur. You guys can move on to the Discord channels now. Thank you.